What's up, everyone? It's Tasia, aka Tay, rolling with Tay, and I'm back in New York City. I'm about to go visit the deepest underground subway station in New York City. It lies 173 feet below ground. It's located at 191st Street. Shout out to Courtney, aka the Alkaline Cyclist on Instagram. He first posted about it a couple weeks ago and did a dope video, and I thought it'd be cool if I do a similar video but on skates. So come roll with me as I go check it out.